Hello everyone. Yes, it's been over a year. Are you surprised to see me? Well, I'm back and I'm welcoming you all back to my channel. Today I want to show you a quick demo on polygel nails. A little disclaimer, I am not a professional nor an expert. This is how I do my own nails. I went to YouTube University. So if you want to see how I created this yellow ombre set, stay tuned. Here are the main items I use for this set. I used some alcohol, 91% for my slip solution. I also used the Makarrt Polygel brush, the Madame Glam's lighter brush, the Makarrt Polygel in a Siesta in Eggshell, the Makarrt base coat in Poochiez no wipe top coat, and some Pixies. I did end up adding some Bling as well towards the end. Let's have a quick story time. As you can see, I'm using my hand to do this demonstration, and you know, it's a cheap hand and I'm having issues with keeping the nails inside, so my whole shaping is off and I just left it like that because I had a time. But let's talk about why Glamour Liz never sent me my hand in the mail. Never. And I had to make a dispute out on her with my credit card company because she just went ghost. So here I am adding the base coat, and this is not going to be an in-depth tutorial. If you want that, I can make a video for you guys so you can know each step. So if you would like to see that, please comment down below. But for now, I'm just showing you the steps I took to achieve this look. So here I am adding a thin layer of the eggshell polygel to the tip because I want to do a nude ombre down to this nice looking Makarrt eggshell yellow. So I am blending it upwards and I'm making sure to really get that line blended out. And this is a thin layer because I will be adding a second layer, and you don't want it to be too bulky because when you have things too bulky, you end up filing it down, and that's just being wasteful in my opinion. Now you see me adding the nude. I don't add the nude right at the cuticle. I do add it right above where I want that ombre blend to be. So I start from the middle and I do what they call a 2-bead method. I put 1 bead here, get it blended how I want it to be blended, and then you'll see me come in with a 2nd bead towards your cuticle to get the rest of the nail filled in. Now I'm doing a solid yellow polygel nail on the pinky, and I will be doing the same thing on the index finger, starting with a thin coat, and then I will be adding a 2nd bead to the cuticle area with this one. So with my ring finger, I will be creating a French nail. So you will see me make the base with the smile line. I'm gonna cure it, and then I will come back to this nail to file that smile line a little bit more defined, and you will see that a little bit later in the video.
Going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move.
So here I am adding that eggshell color to the tip of the nail. You want to make sure you push this up snug to all the surfaces you can. So you want this very snug to that smile line. Even if it goes over the smile line, that's fine, because you can go and remove that with the file and have a very defined smile line. And right here, I'm just encapsulating them with clear polygel, so when I do go and file, I won't mess up my smile line or my ombre. Now here you see me filing, and I just gave up trying to file these nails because look, they kept falling out. So let's get into the fun part. Now I'm just coating the nail with some base coat, and I'm gonna add my Pixies. I'm gonna add as much as I want, but the key is to really get the Pixies placed where you want, because you don't want to lose the shape of your nail. So go in and push them up off the side so you can keep that nice crisp shape. So I coated my ring finger with this matte coat because if you have a matte layer, it's much easier to do nail art. And I'm gonna go in here and line the smile line with the nice crisp white line here. I suck at French lines or outlines, so using matte top coat really helps with the nail art. Fun fact. So this is the Makarrt rhinestone glue. We're gonna add some bling. I decided to add some bling, so I'm putting this right where I want the bling. You see me positioning it where exactly I want it to be. I'm gonna cure it. Then I'm gonna add the Poochiez Super Shine No Wipe Top Coat. I'm gonna put this around all the nails. I'm gonna definitely put this around my rhinestones. I'm not going to polish my rhinestones at all. And then you see me adding some caviar beads. When I tell you caviar beads just make rhinestones just look complete, y'all see it or y'all seen it. If you made it this far, consider hitting that like button and become a subscriber. This is the finished product, you guys. I myself, I know the shaping of the nails aren't crisp, but I could not do any filing with this hand. I'm gonna have to figure out how to glue these nails down so they don't move like that, but just look at it, it's so beautiful. So yes, you guys, please subscribe, like, and share, and thank you for watching.